Hey there, today we're exploring the versatile RedSwing Small Folding Table, a compact and lightweight solution perfect for your outdoor adventures and indoor needs. Weighing just 5.5 pounds, this portable aluminum camping table can hold up to 70 pounds and features 3 adjustable heights, making it ideal for various activities like picnics, BBQs, or even as a laptop desk. Its dimensions are 24 by 16 inches, with height options of 10, 19, and 26 inches, and it conveniently folds down to a pack size of 16 by 12 by 3 inches for easy storage. Setting it up is a breeze, taking just seconds, and the waterproof MDF tabletop is easy to clean, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. The sturdy U-shaped side support and secure latch provide stability, while the thicker aluminum alloy frame ensures durability for all-season use. Whether you're at the beach, in your backyard, or lounging on your couch, this table adapts to your lifestyle, offering a reliable and multifunctional surface. So, if you're looking for a table that combines portability, strength, and versatility, the RedSwing Small Folding Table is your go-to choice for both indoor and outdoor settings. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.